And a very good day to all my viewers out there. I'm here right beside the Elm River, and there's Elm Street or Elm Road, also known as Land's Lorm, I believe it translates to. And what I was going to do was, I was on this little nature trail here, and I was supposed to come here and cross this log, but unfortunately the river is so high here. Just show you, threw a rock in there, but yeah, look how high that river is. So definitely can't go on that log past the river onto the other side. So what I'm going to do instead is kind of change my plans a bit. Right now I'm facing to the east. This way's to my south, where I just came from, and I'm going to be heading west. And apparently there's a residential neighborhood to the west of here. I think it's part of Kirkland. And from there, I think there's this big nature park. It's called, I don't think I've ever been to it, the Agricultural Nature Park. I don't know if it's actually open, but I decided, why not do a little video walking through this wooded area here. And you know, a little different. Beautiful day, very secluded area, very quiet area, and there's no mosquitoes out yet, which is another good thing, because usually I think it's in a couple of weeks when they start coming out. So this is the best time to go for these hikes, these walks, without worrying about mosquitoes. So we'll just keep going this way here. I know there's different paths, different directions. Like I said, very secluded, very wooded area. But we'll see where this goes to. This is one of the places I've never really explored. And you can see there's lots of options, depending what direction you want to go. So I'm just going to head on the same path as these power lines here, and see where it takes me before it gets too dark. Right now, by the way, it's Sunday, May 12th, 2019. It's 4:38 p.m. So I'll try to keep filming for as long as I can, because I do want to save my battery. I want to find my way back to the city. And again, right now I'm right beside Kirkland, or west of Kirkland, maybe even in Kirkland. And I'll tell you, that sun is pretty warm. Like I said, I have no idea how long this path is, but we'll see. Be nice if I came across some wild animals, or some rabbits or frogs or something. Make the video a little more interesting. There's a big bee over there. I don't know if the camera picked it up or not. That's a very interesting path. So again, right to my north, which would be in this direction, that's where I did the video of the Elm Road flooded, Land's Lorm Nature Park. It's about a 15-20 minute walk from here, which was my original plan. Then I got a little sidetracked and distracted here, and decided to see where this path led to. I see some kind of structure coming up here. Now, when I was checking Google Maps, like I said, there's a residential neighborhood that's coming up. Oh, look at this. I don't know if that's a... No, that's better. Oh, that's a caterpillar or spider's nest. Trying to focus here. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Some kind of cocoon. So it looks like we're getting into a more denser area now in terms of our walk, in terms of the woods. These branches are really sticking out here, so you got to be careful. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's an interesting find. Oh, looks like somebody has a little hideaway here somewhere. Interesting. Look at this beautiful little stone wall over here. So we'll just keep walking west here. I don't know if you can notice, but we're kind of losing our path here a bit, so a little concerning. Alright, is here the path? Oh, look how thick and luscious this grass is here. Really nice. What a beautiful little area. Much easier to walk here than the rock path I was on. It's kind of like the country out here in the middle of nowhere, like an orchard or something. As I said, the path is a little less defined here, so I have to be careful. Oh, I see the highway down there, which means that I guess this doesn't lead to a residential area, but it leads to the highway, which is where I started from. So I'll probably cut the video now, or actually I'll keep filming until I get there. And walking in the south direction now. Like I said, really, really beautiful area if you just want to get away from everything. Beautiful birds. And that's Highway 40, by the way, down there, straight ahead, Auto Route 40. Oh, blue jay! Oh my god, that is so rare. I can't believe what I'm looking at. Right there in the tree. Hopefully you saw that. Right there. That's a blue jay. Can't believe it. Wow. I don't know how rare those birds are, but to see that is really spectacular. That caught my eye. Times like this, I wish I had a proper camera. There it is. Look at that nice shot there in the tree. Even if I zoom in, no, it's not going to be that great, but we'll try. Right there. At least see the shape of it. Don't know where it went. Oh, it's in the other tree there. So these seem to be a little more, how he's going in the woods. Yeah, so those birds, I guess they seem to be a little more frightened than the traditional ones. But I know in this area, if you're into bird watching, this is one of the prime places to come around this area between here, Saint Anne de Bellevue, Cap Saint Jacques. very beautiful opportunities to see different birds. So, you know, that blue jay may be rare in the actual city, but I don't think it's that rare out here. So we're almost coming up here to the end of the path. One more look behind where we came from. Alright, so I'm going to cut the video here because, like I said, I do want to save some cell phone battery. But hey, at least you got a nice idea what it's like out here. And like I said, a little different than the usual videos. More peaceful, more quieter. But, we'll cut the video here, and as always, more to come. Alright, have a good day, everybody.